Unlock radiant youth with the 7E Wellness MyoLift Mini Microcurrent Facial Device. In the ever-evolving world of skincare, the quest for youthful, radiant skin has led to groundbreaking innovations that redefine beauty rituals. Introducing the 7E Wellness MyoLift Mini Microcurrent Facial Device, a revolutionary non-invasive solution designed to elevate your skincare routine and deliver visible results from the comfort of your home. Experience the power of microcurrent technology. Harnessing the power of advanced microcurrent technology, the MyoLift Mini provides up to 400 microamps of therapeutic current, effectively stimulating the underlying facial muscles. This gentle yet powerful treatment mimics the body's natural electrical currents, promoting collagen production, enhancing skin elasticity, and tightening sagging skin. The result: a more lifted, youthful appearance without the need for invasive procedures or downtime. Elevate your skincare routine. The MyoLift Mini is not just a device, it's an investment in your skin's future. Designed for both professional estheticians and skincare enthusiasts alike, this versatile tool is perfect for anyone looking to achieve a salon-quality facial experience at home. With its user-friendly interface and compact design, the MyoLift Mini seamlessly integrates into your daily skincare regimen, making it easier than ever to prioritize self-care. Comprehensive anti-aging benefits. Say goodbye to fine lines, wrinkles, and dull skin. The MyoLift Mini offers a multitude of benefits that cater to your skin's unique needs. Skin tightening. Experience immediate lifting effects as microcurrents stimulate and tone facial muscles, providing a firmer appearance. Enhanced product absorption. Boost the efficacy of your favorite skincare products. The microcurrent technology helps to drive serums and creams deeper into the skin, maximizing their benefits. Improved circulation. Microcurrent therapy promotes better blood flow, resulting in a healthier, more vibrant complexion. Customized treatments. With adjustable intensity settings, you can tailor your treatments to suit your skin's specific requirements, ensuring optimal results every time. Professional-grade results at home. Whether you're an experienced esthetician or a skincare novice, the MyoLift Mini empowers you to achieve professional-grade results in the comfort of your own space. Its compact design makes it easy to use and store, while the included user guide provides step-by-step instructions to help you get started. You can also explore a variety of treatment protocols tailored to address specific concerns, ensuring that your skincare journey is personalized and effective. Join the skincare revolution. As more individuals seek non-invasive alternatives to traditional cosmetic procedures, the demand for effective, at-home skincare solutions continues to rise. The 7E Wellness MyoLift Mini Microcurrent Facial Device stands at the forefront of this revolution, offering a safe, effective, and affordable way to enhance your natural beauty. Transform your skin today. Don't wait for the perfect moment to invest in your skin. With the MyoLift Mini, you can take control of your skincare journey and embrace the confidence that comes with a youthful, glowing complexion. Order now and discover the transformative power of microcurrent technology. Experience the difference that the MyoLift Mini can make in your life, because you deserve to look and feel your best every day. Your path to radiant skin starts here. Unlock the secret to ageless beauty with the 7E Wellness MyoLift Mini Microcurrent Facial Device. Elevate your skincare routine, redefine your beauty standards, and embrace the radiant skin you've always desired. Visit our website today to learn more and place your order. Buy now link in bio. Subscribe, share, follow and like for more videos.